The question was, how can I automate a Google search? I'll talk about that in this video. So, automating a Google search. I mean, first of all, Google's got to know what's in your mind. They got to know what you're thinking about. That's probably the closest thing I can think of to automating a Google search would be the use of Siri, Alexa, and my Hey Google. I think those would be the closest thing you can come up to automate a Google search without putting a chip in your mind. And that's a whole conversation for a whole other day. However, there is one other alternative. And that is, if you know that every day you want to find content relevant to a specific topic, there's two things you could do. Number one, go to a Google search and build that search string out. Let me build a search string. Now that's a very simple search string. I just want to find all the content that Google can find for me that has Teddy Burris, the whole term Teddy Burris, not Teddy and Burris, the word LinkedIn, and the word Quora. Now I put quotes around it just for me. You don't have to put quotes around single words. I like to see it that way in my own mind. Now I'm going to hit enter. Here it is. 8,950 results, and it found that in 0.45 seconds. Pretty quick. Now, if I hit refresh, 8,950 stays the same. Now, here's one tip. One tip is do that search and bookmark it. Bookmark that search. Put it somewhere where you can get to it on a regular basis. And then when you're ready, you can go do it, open it up, and you can click on it, and you can do it, search for Teddy again. And by the way, it found 8,950 in 0.29 seconds. That's one way to do it. Do the search in Google, bookmark the search, bring it up anytime you want. Now here's another idea that may work. It's called Google Alerts. I go to Google Alerts. There it is right there. Now you can see I've created 4. So what I do is you create a search string that you want to find. Let me bring this search string up here. And you put that search string in Google Alerts. And then what you do is you create an alert. Now I can change my options. I can say how often do I want it. I say I want it, as it happens, once a day, once a week. I can say where do I want to look. I want to look, automatically, which pretty much means everywhere. What language do I want? What region do I want? How many results do I want? I want all of them, and I want to deliver them to me via email or an RSS feed. And then I create the alert. Now, every day, Google's going to do that search, and if new records come up, it's going to send me an email with all the new Google search results that match Teddy Burris and LinkedIn and Quora. And this is what it's going to look like. Right here, you can see the only emails I'm getting are the alerts I set up for testing. And here's one for banana farmers. And these are the results that Google brought up that match the new results that match that criteria. If I see more results, takes me into the alerts and shows me a day ago all of these search results, all matching, in this case, banana and farmers are what Google found. Actually, a whole lot of content. It shows it by day, 3 days old, 4 days old, 5 days old, etc., etc. Again, maybe the thing to do would be to use some of these devices like Siri and Hey Google and Alexa, etc., etc. Maybe the thing to do would be to create a search string and bookmark it so you can get to that search string quick whenever you want to. Maybe another way would be to use Google Alerts and have Google send you new search strings that it finds as it finds them. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and hope these ideas are useful for you.